Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing high ping while gaming or using online applications, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll show you how to reduce ping and improve your network performance on Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what ping is. Ping measures the time it takes for data to travel from your computer to a server and back. High ping can cause lag and poor online experiences. Here are some steps to fix high ping on your Windows PC. First step is to close background application. Close any unnecessary background applications that might be using your bandwidth. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager, or simply right click on the Task Manager and open it. Now under the Processes tab, look for application using network resources. Right click and select End Task for any unnecessary applications. Step 2 is to update your network drivers. Right click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Here expand Network Adapters, right click on your network device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Now step 3 is to adjust your network settings and ensure you have a good internet connection. To do that, open Settings, go to Bluetooth, Network and Internet, and ensure your internet connection is stable. You can use a wired connection instead of a Wi-Fi for more stable connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or consider upgrading your router if it's outdated. And there you have it. By following this step, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall network performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.